So today we're going on a wine tour in the Petite Rivière area.
Yes, Petite Rivière Vineyards.
Indeed, and then we might go to Rissers Beach, go for a walk, do some other things, we're not really sure.
Yeah, see what the weather's like and how drunk we are on wine.
Tell us about it.
Well, there's vines that grow grapes, and then when the grapes get ripe, we squish them, and it turns into wine.
Sounds about right. So it's the grapes, it's the squishing that turns it into wine?
Sure.
Excellent. Seems smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah. I guess it depends on the vineyard, right? This is one of many in the valley. So.
That's true. It's a small.
I've never been to one, really.
Me neither. How many bottles does this place put out in a year?
52.
No, it's got to be higher than that.
I don't know.
That's our bird deterrent. Food and the wine kind of go together, and that's where we create pairings, right? So if you find something that enhances your food, or a food that enhances your wine, well, that's what food and wine pairing is all about.
First sip was sour, and then I had apple, and then drank the wine. It seemed to take away
the
sour
sharpness
from the wine. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it does change. It does change it. So it's pretty impressive.
What do you like best? You think?
I
know they're all different.
I would lean
it's hard to
towards
say.
this
The last one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of more like what we drink normally for red.
Yeah.
But I'm learning to like the white with rum.
See? I was right.
So that was lovely. We spent a bit of time at the winery.
We've come out Australian.
British. We developed our accents. And now we're off to the beach. We're going to Rissers Beach is where we're headed.
I want to say Rissers Beach.
Not Risers. Rissers. Heave ho. Plan is to eat,
Have
some lunch, a picnic, some wine, and we're going to walk the boardwalk afterwards, we believe.
Yeah, we shall see.
There's apparently staff parking and handicap parking, so
authorized vehicles only.
we've politely been asked to move, so we will,
Okay.
just after we use the facilities.
Yeah.
Alright, we found parking. So it looks like it's rather windy by the white caps over there.
Creepers. I know. Darn it. I wasn't expecting it to be windy. It was so calm at the vineyard. Wow. We should totally sit there and try to have a picnic. It's like, what? I turn this way and you pull me this way. It's a little windy.
It's a little windy. You don't want to have a picnic in a sandstorm?
Yeah. This is crazy. It's like we entered another universe. Let's go back to the vineyard. Just a tad bit windy.
I'm not really sure. Do you think it's windy?
Yeah.
Thought crossed our mind. Well, maybe they won't be allowed to let us legally drink a bottle of wine.
I'm thinking
have
that's
a snack.
insane at a winery, but or at a vineyard.
You know,
but,
a tasting license is different than a
Is
let
it
them
though,
drink
really?
a bottle of wine license.
is it?
I don't know. Interesting.
What up with the tunnel? Okay.
Goes under the road.
We didn't die in the tunnel, so we're gonna keep going.
We were here earlier, and now we're here back again after a picnic. Aye, that's called. Aye.
Anything that I can grab pretty quickly?
Do you have coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee. Do you want one?
Okay, just meet you on the other side there.
Just in time
Yeah.
to the LaHave Bakery to get a coffee.
Yeah. To keep us on our way.
Coffee. Hello. So, looks like we're heading to Mahone Bay now. We don't know what we're up to. We're just kind of zooming around. All right, we're in Mahone Bay.
Gonna go get some grub.
Gonna get some grub at the, what is it called again? Mater's Wharf?
Mater's Wharf.
I thought it was called something else. Got some pub grub.
It was not good. Right?
It was just normal.
Well, I think it was more or less not as good as normal.
It wasn't as good as I expected. It was fine. But
anyway, we ate. That's just what we needed to do. So.